Okay, so the first one, I've got the integral of 4 minus 3x to the power of 7 with respect to x. When I integrate this, then the power is going to have to increase. So it's going to equal 4 minus 3x. Integrating the power increases, so that'll go up to 8. And now I always just try and differentiate that to make sure I can see to get this. If I differentiate this, the power will come down to the front. So I don't want anything in front of it, so I need to make sure I've got an eighth in front. So now power times by 8 an eighth to give 1, that's good. And then it'll be 4 minus 3x to the power of, this will decrease when differentiating down to 7, so that's good. But I also have to differentiate the bracket, and this will give a minus 3. So I'm going to have minus a third there, and these are all times together. And then obviously I'm going to have plus c. And so that equals minus 1 over 24, 4 minus 3x to the power of 8 plus c. If you want to, you could just check that. 8 times by minus 1/24 will give minus 8/24, which is minus a third. Lots of this to the power of 7, and then you have to differentiate the minus 3x to get minus 3. So that will work. And part 2. You've got the integral of 4 minus 3x to the power of minus 1 with respect to x. Now if I increase that power, it goes to 0, and so we know that's not going to happen because that will anything past 0 will be 1, and that just doesn't work with this. So this will be something to do with Lunds. And if I can get it to be like the integral of the derivative on the top and some function on the bottom, then the answer will be Lun of f of x. So that's what I'm going to try and look at. So this is to the power of minus 1 means 1 over, so it's 1 over 4 minus 3x. And I've now got to get it at the top bit, so it's the derivative of this. So I'm going to make the top bit be minus 3, because now the top bit is the derivative of the bottom. But that's changed the whole value of everything, so I need to change the value of the whole integral, and I've got to have a third. So if I multiply this by 3, then I'm going to have a third of the answer. Now I can do it. That's minus 1/3 of Lun of 4 minus 3x, and again obviously plus c at the end. And that's question 1 done.